How to set up parental controls on Xfinity app. So to set up parental controls on Xfinity app, you'll need to use the Xfinity Stream app or Xfinity X5 app. So in Xfinity Stream app, you can manage parental controls for content access, while the X5 app allows you to manage devices and set time limits. So let's say if you are using Xfinity Stream application, just open the application and navigate to its settings and select the parental controls. Turn on the parental controls by toggling the switch to on position, and by simply create a 4-digit parental control pin and verify your pin by re-entering it. And then you can finally manage the content restriction by locking the specific ratings or channels. To manage content restrictions, users have to go to parental controls in the settings and choose what to look. So in case of you are using X5 app for Xfinity, just open the application and go to its Wi-Fi section, select the device you want to manage and tap the pause device to restrict the internet access on that device. You can pause for a specific duration or until you unpause it. To manage internet usage, you can create a profile for family members and set the time limit. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.